Happy 2023, guys. January 1st. It's 7:15 at night. I'm actually filling in for one of our co-workers who's been sick for like, I don't know, a week and a half. I'm on my way to a no heat, no hot water call. I believe it's indirect. So we'll see what it is when we get there. They said it starts for 2 seconds and shuts off. I think they're twinned boilers. We'll see what it is. I just talked to them on the phone, and I'll take it. It's double time, but hopefully it's nothing crazy, so we can give them heat. It is 50 degrees here in New York, but I still want to get them heat because I feel like heck if I don't. So let's see what it is. Maybe there's air in the line, or I asked them if they hit the disconnect switches. They said yes. So we'll see what it is. Again, Happy New Year. Hope you guys enjoyed your day, your family, your friends, everything. I gave away on my last video some Testo gauges. A kid named Patrick won. I asked him to email me. He emailed me, but he didn't leave me his information. So Patrick, if you're listening, please email me or give me your phone number on the email so I could send it to you, or send them to you, because I want you to have them. I love Testo. I'm a Testo guy. So, all right, let's see what it is. Yeah, because you may have it on temporary.
I don't know what they had it set on.
System on. Well, yeah, it's staying at 62 because it's so cool in here. 61 right now. Right now. It's down to 70 degrees. 66 degrees. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna have to purge it, bleed it. Okay, let's try this one.
Throw a bottle in your bag?
Yeah. Well, no, in the truck. Artsy, artsy.
Let's open it.
There.
fixed it?
This one. Yeah, we'll check the CO2. Watch their foot there. Yeah, you want to do a CO2 test? Of course. Okay. So now we're going to do the same thing. Grab. Can't kill the power? Because you don't want it to reset. Go ahead. Just hold it under, yep. So we see a clear flow. Turn it off. Turn it off. Let's get better. Grab some more. We'll dump that in my oil bucket. The two youths. Me and you. Me and my son. I love working with my kid. Yeah, your teacher seems like a good guy.
Yeah.
What was it at? 62 when we got here?
62.
Yeah, this one's still at 62. All right, let's finish bleeding this. Looking a lot better now, buddy boy. Yeah, you can turn it off. Oh, first let it start, yeah. My student, he goes to tech, my son goes to a tech school, he's a senior in high school. There you go, buddy boy. Let's just make sure it keeps running. You can close it for now. Make sure. We're gonna run and get the CO analyzer. Combustion analyzer. Do a little quick test, and I think they're gonna be good. Who did that? So we need this, if you don't mind carrying this.
Did you bring the whole thing?
Nope. No, we're gonna bring this. Fuel on, off, and then we need to change it to oil. Oil, and then we're gonna go to fuel test. 12. What's that reading?
120.
This thing's brand new. 7 parts per million, bro. These things are 2022. What are they? Air handlers?
Yeah, bro.
What are those, like an attic?
You gotta go around these oil tanks.
Yeah, let me see. That's printing right now.
What's that on the floor? Like, there's 2.
Yeah. Well, not that bad. Jesus, dude. There's that one. And let's bring the combustion analyzer. Woohoo! You want to hold that there?
Yeah.
This one up to 13, 15, 18. Okay, let that rise for a second. And just make sure it's heating. 120. 130. It's good. Pull this. Boom. Boom. Boom.
She tried to put up like cones on the loading dock, but we don't use it every day.
She could turn the lights off. guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. That was just a quick call with two oil-fired boilers. I brought my son with me. He's a senior in technical school for HVAC. Not sure that's what he's gonna do, but he's got the options open. I love him. He knows it. Say what up, Nick.
What up?
What up? What up? Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Happy New Year. And we'll see you on the next visit. Take care.